Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Isang taus-pusong pagbati sa mga bagong licensed professional teachers. Pinaghirapan ninyo yan ang bawat review, kaba at sakripisyo. At ngayon, official na kayong mga guro. Pero matapos ang selebrasyon, sigurado maraming nagtatanong, ano ba ang susunod na hakbang? So kung gusto mong maging teacher 1 sa DepEd, syempre una, ayusin mo na ang mga requirements tulad ng PRCID certificates at iba pang mga dokumento. At basahin ang DepEd Order 007 Series 2024. Laman ng DepEd Order 0011 Series 2023, ito yung guidelines on recruitment. Kung balak mong mag-apply as Teacher 1 sa DepEd, so nandito na yung criteria at kung paano kayo makakuha ng points. So A, education, 10 points, training, 10 points, experience, 10 points, LET, 10 points, classroom observation, 35 points, and then the teacher reflection, 25 points. A total score of 100. Andito din yung rubrics for computation ng education, training, and experience. Kung gusto mo talagang makapag-apply as T1, kailangan mo itong basahin. So, paano ka ba makakapag-score ng 10 points sa education? So, kung bachelor's degree ka ngayon ay 0 points ka. Dapat, maka 9 to 12 master's units para maka 2 points, 15 to 18 units, 4 points, 21 to 24 units, 6 points, 27 to 30 units ng MA mo ay 8 points, 33 above, so makukuha man na yung maximum 10 points kung mayroon ka ng MA na 33 units. Para naman sa training, so ang QS dito ay non-required, pero kung gusto mong maka points sa training, kailangan mo ng 16 to less than 32 hours, 2 points, 32 to less than 48 hours, 4 points, 48 and less than 64 hours, 6 points, 64 and less than 80 hours, 8 points, 10 up, 80 hours to, magiging 10 points ka na sa training. Para naman sa experience, so possible score ay 10 points. So yung QS is not required. Para makakuha ka ng point sa experience, 1 to less than 2 years, ay 2 points ka na. 2 and less than 3 years, 4 points. 3 and less than 4 years, may 6 points ka na. 4 and less than 5 year experience, ay 8 points. And kapag naka 5 years and up na experience ka na, makukuha mo na yung 10 points. Sa LET naman, kung alam mo na yung rating mo, so rating lang, divided by 100 times 10. So kapag 99 ka, mayroon kang 9.9 points. So dito sa classroom observation or remote teaching, so galingan mo lang dito, 35 points to. So may 5 indicators ka lang na dapat mong i-target, dapat nilang makita para makuha mo yung 35 points. Dito naman sa PPSA Inquiry Reflection, so meron tayong sasagutan dito na mga tanong. So 4 na tanong yan para makuha mo yung 25 points. So again, dapat mong malaman kung ano yung mga criteria or rubrics para makapasok as Teacher 1 sa DepEd. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.